Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix payment not completed app store error. This error is related to an outdated payment method or because of your Face ID settings. First of all, make sure to completely close your App Store application and open up your iPhone settings and tap on Face ID and passcode. After entering your passcode, go ahead and disable Face ID for iTunes and App Store. You can then try to complete a purchase in your App Store to see if this fixes the issue. If the problem persists, then your payment method was declined due to it being out of date, having insufficient funds, or because of your Apple ID. Location settings in your iPhone settings. Tap on your Apple ID name. From here, select Payment and Shipping. Here you can preview your current payment method after entering your Apple ID password. Select to edit your payment method and remove it. You can then proceed to add a new payment method such as Apple Pay, which would be the easiest, a credit card or PayPal if you are using family sharing, and purchase sharing with other users and devices, then only the family organizer can change or delete a payment method. Beware that some users have issues when connecting PayPals as your Apple account information has to match your PayPal account. After adding a new payment method and deleting the old one, you can go ahead and see if this fixes the issue. Next, in your Apple ID setting, tap on Sign Out. It will take a second to sign you out and you can then proceed to sign back into your Apple ID account. Lastly, screen time, parental controls and content restrictions can hinder you from making purchases on your iPhone. In your screen time setting, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Under iTunes and App Store purchases, make sure that you allow to install apps. Delete apps, make in-app purchases. Alternatively, you can try to complete disable content and privacy and try to download an app or make an in-app purchase. Lastly, you should make sure that your iPhone is running the latest software update. In your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on General. From here, select Software Update. Download and install the update in case there is one available to you and proceed to restart your device. When this is done, this will in addition restart all process running on your device and can help fix the payment not complete error you are getting. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.